Hey guys, so in today's video, I just felt like playing with makeup and I'm gonna do a get ready with me playing with some new products. So let's go because I'm trying to get this done as fast as possible because yeah, let's just get right into this. But first, subscribe to the button down below and like this video if you like this video at any point in the video and turn the notification bell on. But also, I see y'all that watch my videos and don't subscribe. Like, I'll put it here on the screen. What is this? Go ahead and subscribe at the button down below. And yeah, let's be a family here because I'm scoping y'all. All right, let's get right into the video. I'm done ranting. Okay, so I'm getting kind of sick and tired of showing y'all like in depth. Y'all know what I prime with. It is the P. Louise base in the shade Rumor 2. And I got this interesting sponge from Ulta. It's the Real Techniques sponge. I forgot what it's called. I'll list it down below. But it has, you guys know I blend stuff out with my fingers sometimes first, like my foundation and my eyeshadow primer. So I like this because this part does that for you and then you go in with the sponge. So I used this once and I fell in love with how it just did the same thing and I didn't have to get my fingers all dirty. You guys, like, I didn't even cover up my brows. Wow, Michaela, that's new. I'm gonna try to get as closest to my brows as possible because I didn't carve them out. It's weird of me. I guess I just felt like they looked okay. Probably carve them out next, honestly. I don't ever do that on camera, but we're gonna do it on camera today because I don't feel confident that I will like this look if I don't carve out my brows. So we will be carving out the brows. This looks weird. Okay, definitely need to carve out my brows. Just using my concealer I'm using today. This is my Benefit Cakeless Boing Cakeless Concealer. It's very full coverage and I love it. Stays all day. And we're using the Morphe M17-2 brush. I'm trying to do this as fast as possible on camera because I don't want to be editing a long video. That was easy. I need an easy button because I say that so much. So now we're gonna go in with this before I do my makeup. This is the Makeup Revolution Pout Balm Maxi Plump Gloss. Me and my sister both love this stuff. It's so good. It's huge. It's literally so huge. Like, look how big this is compared to my face. Don't put it in your mouth, Michaela. It doesn't go in your mouth. It definitely doesn't go in your mouth. Oh. That was intense. Okay. Next. For today's palette, Kylie Cosmetics has been promoting the crap out of this palette, so I was like, you know what, let me buy it. This is the Bronze Pressed Powder palette, and it's so pretty. Like, this is Halloween right here. I'm actually just gonna go in with the shade Topaz, and we're gonna put that in the crease. And the brush I'm using is a Sigma E40 taper blending brush. It's perfect for, like, you know, see how blended that is already? There is kickback in this palette and it's very, 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 very pigmented. I really enjoy Kylie Cosmetics eyeshadows. I think they're really, really nice. Like, I'm a Kylie Cosmetics stan, so I might be biased, but I really do like everything. And if I didn't, I would let you guys know. There is one lip kit that did not work out for me. It's called No Sleep, but I keep trying it to make it work. But it's just really streaky. That's the only thing from Kylie Cosmetics that's not worked for me yet. This is really pretty transition shade. Like, I'm obsessed with this. So next I'm gonna be taking the color right under it, which is Tiger's Eye, because I don't really want to go too deep with this. So I'm gonna keep it kind of on the light side. So we're gonna be using that in our crease. And I'm using the Morphe M330 brush. Oh yes, some nice warmth. Y'all, I never do both eyes on camera neither. Y'all seeing something new? Look at that. This is an awkward freaking position for me. Y'all, this is like the perfect, like, everyday palette. Like, I swear. You got two shimmers and the rest are mattes. So you can do warm tones and cool tones, and then you got a nice black. Like, come on. So for the shimmer, I'm gonna be using Gold Stone, which is that color right there. It's really pretty and it's calling my name ever since, and I'm gonna apply that with my finger. Ooh, that is so, oh, that is so pretty. Ooh, that is so pretty. It's like the perfect, y'all, I really like this palette. Fun fact, I got this palette at Ulta for $11.25. Got a friend, they get discounts, plus it was on sale. Ulta Beauty always has Kylie Cosmetics stuff on sale for a really good price. So definitely always check there for sales. Kylie Cosmetics always has sales, honestly, like a lot. I am gonna take, I feel like I do want some depth maybe. Yeah, I want a little bit of depth, so I'm gonna take bronze just really, really lightly, probably mixed. I'm gonna mix bronze and Tiger's Eye in together to get like a little bit of deeper shade to get more depth. I'm gonna take the same brush. So Tiger's Eye and bronze, literally like 2 taps of bronze. Just to get it right in there. Yeah, there we go. I'm literally just doing my makeup to my eyes real shape. No cut creases, no nothing today. So here is a real everyday makeup look. For liner today, we're gonna be using a Line Up liquid liner from JOAH. You can actually use my code caylah for 30% off. Do not make a commission, but they, you know, they wanted me to like, you know, I love that brand. Like I'm obsessed with JOAH. So they gave me a coupon code for you guys. So caylah gets you 30% off your purchase. Okay, so I'm gonna try to do a half wing. So we're gonna keep it really thin. There we go, just like that. So basically, I'm gonna do this on this side first without committing to it and filling it in. There we go. I really like that you can get that tapered look with this. And I believe this pencil is actually, this this liner is actually, it's waterproof and I believe it's biotin infused. So it's great for your lashes. If so, don't quote me on that, but I believe it is. I think I read that today. I highly recommend this. It is a felt tip, but it's a really flexible felt tip. Obsessed. Code caylah for 30% off. Remember that. Remember that. Okay, so we're gonna go into quartz and we're gonna highlight my brow bone because I can never not highlight my brow bone in my inner corner. So we're gonna do that right now. So we're gonna take this Morphe E30 brush. So this is really pretty. It's not too icy. It's like my skin tone in a highlighter form. Oh, I love this color. Okay. Y'all should have got this palette way sooner than this. Because, oh my goodness, I'm obsessed. Inner corners. So in my inner corners, I don't want, my eyes can really drag down if I highlight like down here in my inner corners. So what I like to do is like, I like to go right here. Like literally and swoop it up and it highlights really well. So like I was saying before, I'm going in with the Blur Activator Primer from JOAH Beauty and I'm going to be putting that on my skin. You can use the code caylah for 30% off, by the way. That is not a commission code, it's just a code that you can use to get money off. So it is very milky and lotiony, by the way. Like their primers don't match like what I feel like a primer should be. Let me take these stars off. Almost forgot. Did forget. Okay. So we're gonna have to to my face because I can't grab these. Like these stars are stuck on. But like their primers, like you think a blurring primer would be silicone. No, it's not silicone. It is definitely not silicone. It is very lotiony, but it's very, very velvety and very smooth. I put those patches on because I felt like I had dry skin right there and they definitely aren't dry no more. So it definitely worked in my favor. Okay, now we're going with the Ordinary Coverage Foundation. This is the shade 2Y1. My sister loves the serum foundation. So I wore this for like hours the other day and it was so flawless. So I definitely recommend this one, and my sister definitely highly recommends the serum foundation. And this is where I love this sponge. I really need to wet this sponge, right? It's a lot to pump. That's a good thing, right? It's very, very liquidy. We're gonna put this on my face. See, like no messy fingers. And the sponge is actually really good too. So about this foundation, this one is really full coverage. I think it's medium buildable. And my sister said the serum foundation is medium. You can get these on Ulta now too. I was waiting for them to put these on Ulta. And I think they're $6.80 or $5.80, something like that. They're cheap. Who doesn't like a cheap foundation? Who doesn't like a deal? All right, so we're going to blend out the foundation. This sponge is like everything, you guys. Definitely pick this up at Ulta. And I don't think this foundation oxidizes whatsoever. I didn't experience oxidization. Is that a word? I didn't experience that. So if you have, leave a comment down below and let people know that I didn't experience it. For concealer, we're using the Benefit Boing Cakeless Concealer. It's very full coverage. This is shade 6.5, so it's what we're gonna be using today. Okay, so I honestly do feel like these shades come a little bit light, but as concealer, does that really matter? Who doesn't want a bright under eye? If you do like a bright under eye, don't be offended by that, but just saying, just warning. And the applicator is super flexible, you guys. Like I really enjoy that. That is where I conceal. I came a long way. We all used to, you know, do that extra concealing. You don't need all that. Taught by Robert Welsh. And see how flawless it does blend out. It blends it really fast. It does not dry too awful quick either, but it is on the matte side. But you know, I like that for my concealer. It's very full coverage. I don't think it's medium coverage. I think this is a very full coverage concealer, which I don't mind either. So just warning. Setting powder. I like to test out things. I'm gonna be doing a full face of JOAH Beauty, but I do want to test out some products first because I do want to be able to speak on longevity, wear time, and how it just how it wears in that video. So stay tuned for that. They sent me everything that I would need for a full face, and I'm really appreciative. This is the translucent setting powder. It's called Selfie Ready Setting Powder. It's so cute. It is definitely white, so we're gonna see if it's like you guys know. We're gonna see. I also got this in banana. So we got it everywhere. If it was a real translucent setting powder, would it not be everywhere? So it's this is scary. It's very white. A concealer does crease. So I would definitely set it right away. This is really finely milled. Oh my gosh. Because I have high expectations for setting powder. Y'all don't know already. This one might be something. Definitely might be something. I think I'm gonna like the banana one more because it is leaving a white cast. Just a tad bit. Okie dokie. Let's get right into contouring, blush, and highlight, you guys. After I brush this off. So for contour, we're using the Honey Nectar Quadrette from Pixie Beauty. These are new. I've been eyeballing this for a very long time. We're gonna use the contour, of course, the blush, and the gold highlight. I have no clue how these perform, so we're definitely seeing this together. They're definitely not too pigmented, which I don't mind. They're definitely buildable. And this is definitely a pretty color for like that natural brown. Ooh, see the difference in my cheeks? Yes, I like it. I think I want frozen yogurt because I haven't had anything but bacon, sausage, and a keto waffle today. So this, ooh, what's wrong with my nose? You see that right there? It's clinging onto my pores of my nose. This bronzer is, but let's keep on going because after I spray my face and do blush and stuff, that is really noticeable. Okay, let's keep going. So actually, I think I'm gonna mix those two together. I'm gonna mix both of these together. I'm gonna tap it off too because Pixie's highlighters be so intense. Okay, I was wrong. They're not that intense, I guess. I thought these were gonna be a little bit more like pow in your face, I guess. I'm really disappointed in this highlighter. I'm like literally swirling my brush around in it heavily. I guess you have to build it up. Let's try out this blush because the highlighters disappointed me. I'm sorry, Pixie. I really like your stuff. I'm probably gonna get one of your highlighters to put on my face in a second. So this blush. Okay, I like the blush. The blushes, I don't like blushes that are like, bam, like, oh, you messed up. I like buildable blush. And this one's really cute. It's a nice color. Blush to nose, get rid of that horrible contour line. We're gonna go with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. I really actually do like this stuff. I like the continuous spray. Like I feel it. I dig it. So makeup, I don't know if it's Illuminati. It's I like that. It's funny. Tiffany. I don't know why I was gonna say makeup by Tiffany. I guess I just wanted her to be like me on Instagram. But she collaborated with Makeup Obsession with the Kaleidoscope Dreams collection. So we're gonna be using one of the eyeliners today because I feel like it. So this is the liner we're gonna be using. We're gonna be using this orange one. I am really obsessed with this. Like, ooh, then my waterline and come back up and let you know because I need to be down here. It's definitely not intense enough. We made it work. I used the Kylie Centron in the middle. For today's lip, we're just gonna use Hot Chai and Commando to make an ombre because that's this. I don't know. I'm obsessed. Okay, this is the wrong one. This is Hot Chai, right? Oh, it's not Hot Chai. I was like, this is really light to my memory. All right, so let's really put Hot Chai on this time. Don't know what I'm thinking. There we go. I swear I'm going crazy. There we go. I feel like me. Why everybody want to bother me right now? Okay, you guys, so I did pop on some of the Four Sheiks mascara. It's gonna be a sponsored post on Instagram, so definitely go check that out. Follow me right here, and it'll be up there. Show some love. It's sponsored, so definitely go show me some love on that. I am done with this look, you guys, and I really and actually really like this. I never do warm tones. It is kind of neutral warm / warm, but I'm obsessed with it. So let me know in the comments down below what kind of video you want to see next, what products you want to use, if you loved any of these products, like if you used them before and you love them, or anything like that. If you don't like them, let me know too. Tell me the tea, and I will see you in my next video.